Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use NordVPN on your Android phone to block ads and trackers so your browsing feels smoother and a lot less cluttered. Start by opening the NordVPN app on your Android device. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the official website or the Google Play Store to make sure you're getting the most secure version. Once you're inside the app, open the menu and look for the option called Threat Protection. This is where NordVPN keeps the features designed to block ads, trackers, and other unwanted elements. Inside that section, you'll see a toggle labeled Ad and Tracker Blocker. Turn that on to help stop websites from tracking your activity and serving targeted ads. Just below it, you'll find the Ad Blocker toggle. Turn this on as well. This focuses on blocking pop-ups and banner ads, which really helps clean up your browsing experience. And that's it. With both options enabled, NordVPN works quietly in the background to block ads and trackers while you browse on Android. If you'd like to get NordVPN for yourself, I've included my affiliate link below. It gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months for free. Enjoy the cleaner, faster experience, and I'll see you in the next one.